So today we have a new speaker from Tronsmart, the Mirtune S100. And there are some other video makers that call this speaker better than the JBL Charge 5 and even the best speaker out there on a budget. So for me it's a bit of a different story. So the speaker is definitely not a bad speaker. Especially for Tronsmart, they did step up when we talk about their muffled or only kicking bass performance. And with this one it is better, but with a few downsides. For example, with the default EQ it's okay sound, but you still don't, I would say, have the nicest clarity. And it's pretty weird because they use dual tweeters behind the fabric cover and they even have a bit of a racetrack driver, but I don't hear the hardware that well in the sound. And even if you use a custom EQ, which I tried for myself, but yeah, it doesn't fix it all that much. Especially the treble is just something I would say is a bit disappointing. And yes, at least it's not that treble boosting like with JBL speakers, but I do think it lacks a bit on the high notes because it just still sounds a bit Tronsmart like sound. So yeah, you can boost up the treble like 100% and then you get a bit more, but yeah, for something with tweeters inside the housing, I did expect a bit more clarity and detail in the sound. And the same goes with the bass. Like, it has a big bass driver or mid driver, but I don't really see it in a speaker that well coming back. And maybe this is also the reason why Tronsmart doesn't send out speakers to me anymore, because I'm not that positive as some others are. So yes, I ordered myself and I will do some comparison with the Weekend D320 for example, and maybe even a few other speakers. But I don't have JBL's Charge speaker here anymore, like I sold it a year ago. But for today we're going to take a look at this speaker, how this performs. So I will do some audio samples with the normal EQ. And then we also do a few with my custom EQ to showcase it can be better, the audio. But again, I did expect a bit better with the hardware. So it's definitely that the software is not that great tuned for this kind of speaker. So yeah, let's go to those samples.
calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. But still give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me
into the midnight sky. You only know how much you meant. You only know the time we spent. Take the pain from my heart and make it whole.